John chapter 15, verse 1. I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener.
John 15:7. If you remain in me, and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish, and it will be done for you.
Remain. John 15:7. Ask whatever you wish. The secret of answered prayer is remaining in Christ. The closer you live to Christ through the meditation on and study the Scriptures, the more your prayer will be in line with the nature and words of Christ. Remain in His word.